Welcome to Blia First Makeup Artistry. I am Blia First. This is my very first video on this channel and I would love for you to subscribe because I want to reach 1 million subscribers by the end of this year. And I cannot do that without your help. So subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you get an update each time there is a new upload on this channel. On this channel, you are going to find makeup tutorials, makeup tips, makeup hacks, live makeup videos, makeup trends, and lots more. Please support my channel by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. Also, tell your friends about this channel. Tell your mama, tell your papa, tell your sisters, tell your brothers, tell your pets, your dogs, and your cats. Just kidding anyway. But you know what I mean, right? A little about me. I'm a Nigerian girl. I'm in Italy. I've been here for over 5 years. I do have a lot of passions and makeup is one of them. So I decided to create this channel so I can share with you everything that I know about makeup. It is going to be fun, entertaining, and I promise you, you are always going to learn something from each upload. Support my channel, support. If there's anything you'd like to know about me, leave a comment down below. And if you'd love to know more about me, follow me on Facebook at Blia First Makeup Artistry, or you can follow me on Instagram at Blia First Makeup Artistry. It's all about makeup, like I said earlier, and there are going to be lots of makeup lives. Like I was saying, I plan to reach 1 million subscribers by the end of this year, and I will not be able to achieve that without your support. So your support is extremely important. Stay tuned. So I'll see you in my next one.